Welcome to the Smart Fireplace Assistance Functions by Spartherm. Our optimally adapted fireplace assistance functions will make your fire experience even more beautiful, efficient, and safer too. S-Thermatik NEO, the automatic fireplace control for optimized combustion, great user convenience, and efficient use of energy. Do you constantly monitor your fireplace to ensure it heats your living space efficiently and with low emissions? Do you still control the air supply manually? You don't have to live with that. The electronic combustion control automatically ensures greater efficiency and will make your fire even more convenient and enjoyable. You can simply use the app to control the air supply without even getting near your fireplace. A sensor in the flue gas pipe always measures the flue gas temperature. The combustion control automatically controls the air supply with the aid of the actuator. You can view all the relevant information on a display on your wall, on your tablet, or on your smartphone. The digital fireplace assistant supplies information on output, operating status, room temperature, and flue gas temperature at all times. Simply use the app or the display to adjust different output levels. You're not sure whether it's time to refuel again? S-Thermatik NEO will inform you about the combustion process and the perfect time for refueling, both on the display and with an acoustic signal. S-Thermatik NEO, Spartherm's automatic combustion control. Lower emissions, greater safety, smarter design. Make your life easier. Make it smart with Spartherm's fireplace assistance functions.